Hi guys, it's Mike here from SAE. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a shutdown and restart on a Sungrow residential inverter. Step 1, at your switchboard, come over and turn off the main switch inverter supply. Step 2, come back to the inverter and turn off the PV array DC isolator. Wait for 5 minutes and then we restart the inverter. To restart the inverter, follow these steps. At the inverter, turn on the PV array DC isolator. Go back to the switchboard and turn on the main switch inverter supply. The LED will light up. The inverter will go through some checks and tests. In about 2 to 3 minutes, your inverter will be back online. And that's how you shut down and reset a Sungrow residential inverter. If you're still having any issues after this video, feel free to give us a call on 1300 18 20 50.